Hi everyone, welcome back to Patient Guard. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of 3D printing in medical devices, where customization meets rapid prototyping. If you're interested in how technology is shaping modern healthcare, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing of medical devices, enabling the creation of patient-specific implants, prosthetics, and even in vitro diagnostic components. This technology is not only speeding up the design process, but also offering unprecedented customization to meet individual patient needs. Here's how it works. Using digital blueprints, 3D printers layer materials such as biocompatible plastics and metals to build complex structures with high precision. This rapid prototyping allows for quick iterations and adjustments, ensuring that the final product is perfectly tailored to a patient's anatomy. In addition to customization, 3D printing significantly reduces production times and costs. In emergency situations, this can be a game changer. Imagine being able to produce a custom implant on demand. While the benefits are immense, it's important to address the challenges. Regulatory approval for 3D printed medical devices can be complex, and ensuring quality control remains a top priority. Nonetheless, the potential to revolutionize patient care is driving ongoing research and innovation in this field. Thank you for watching. What excites you the most about 3D printing in healthcare? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on medical device innovations. See you next time on Patient Guard.